Welcome to this video. This joint project of the Iowa Legislative Services Agency and Drake University Law Library is intended to teach the public how to find information on the Iowa Legislature website. For additional information, please see the video description. This video introduces the quick search boxes that can be found in several places on the Iowa Legislative site. These boxes help you find documents by their citation or number. The specific quick search boxes you see will depend upon which tab you are viewing. Some quick searches include a text box where you can type your citation. Under these boxes, in parentheses, there are examples that indicate the format in which you should enter the numbers. For instance, the Iowa Code quick search box notes that you can enter 7E and then click Go to bring up Chapter 7E in its entirety. Or you can enter 7E.1 and then click Go to bring up just Section 1 of Chapter 7E. The quick search boxes will only provide current content results. If you wish to view the citation as it existed at a different point in time, you will need to use the Legislative Document Research tool or the Archives tab. For example, if you search for Senate File 10 using the Bills Quick Search Number tab, the search will return the most recent version of Senate File 10 from the most recent General Assembly. If you search for an Iowa Code section, you will get the current Iowa Code section. Other quick search boxes, such as the Iowa Acts box, provide drop-down menus where you can enter the different components of your citation. After you have input your information and click Go or Enter on your keyboard, whatever quick search box you use will open your content in a new tab. At the top of the screen, we can see 3 different tabs with each of the documents that I brought up using the quick search feature. This illustrates why it's a good idea to turn off your pop-up blocker when using the Iowa Legislative site, or add www.legis.iowa.gov to your list of safe sites. Thanks for watching. Links to the other videos in this series can be found in the video description.